come to. So let's.
What's wadding? I'm confused.
Waiting.
Just
Y'all, can you see an alligator right there?
zoom.
There's an alligator. Oh, now we gotta tell and Carrie and Lottie we saw an alligator.
Stories.
What are the odds that we come down here and we see an alligator?
First, it's the animal.
At this moment, I knew the state of Texas is not where I want to reside. It's not where the money resides. It's not where I reside. Because I'm just thinking about how many alligators are there, how many that can just go up on that bridge with ease because they can travel about 20 miles per hour on land. Then they lay about 35 to 50 eggs each pregnancy. So it's about 1 million alligators out there. No, I want to get out of here. And then I thought about the time at Disney World where that alligator ate a baby on the beach. Ooh, I told Sydney about it. Let's just say this is my first and last time coming to Busch Park.
What in the world?
Are you still amazed?
It's gonna come up and it's gonna be ready to eat something. And it won't be me. You see those ripples?
Look at all that waste. All those plastic bottles. Yeah.
Yeah, that's
All those plastic bottles.
all right. They're scary. Not scary, but look at that. What is that?
What do you see?
That white. What is that again?
That's a shirt.
No, that bird over there
That's a shirt.
with the long beak. What is that? You know your animals. What is this? Where?
Right there.
Over on that
on the
branch.
tree.
On the branch. Oh shoot.
Mom.
Today was such a beautiful day. It was the first day it's been 80 degrees since the winter time. And we decided to come to Busch Park because we've never been here before. And as you know, Sydney and I, we love to explore different parks. Right there, I'm pointing to turtles sitting on a log. It was a bunch of turtles, swans, just a bunch of nature, different types of birds. And we were blessed and thankful to come out and take a nice little walk and Sydney enjoy her scooter on this day.
So we would not just say all of that. We would just.
Yeah.
Oh, it's like 5.
Is it?
You are mine. Mom, have you ever saw an animal?
Come on. Girl, ride the scooter. There we go. You want?
There's so many.
Oh, sorry. You got it? Okay.
I know this vlog is very short and to the point, but I just wanted you guys to come along with us and see this alligator because I really can't believe that we actually saw one. if you love coming with Sydney and I in our vlogs, please like this and we'll put more content out for you guys to watch. Even though I was terrified of the alligator, I did enjoy my day. I did enjoy being outside, taking a stroll. Now it's back to being cold, about 45 degrees in Texas. So this day was much enjoyed. This 80-degree weather was much enjoyed. So we were headed home, and Sydney decided that she wanted Whataburger, so that's what she got. And I thank you guys for watching, and if you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time we post new videos. Have a great and blessed day. Bye.